Hi folks, welcome to Jones Boys Boats. Well, I got a really neat boat to show you here today. At Jones Boys we carry it all. We even sell some great utility boats, and for anyone out there that's looking for something that's portable, you can put it in the back of your truck, you can put it up on top of your camper. We've got a great little boat to show you today. Today's model I'd like to show is a Marlon Jon boat. She's 12 foot long, it's got a 59-inch beam and a 49-inch beam at the bottom. So it's not much taper, she's really wide, and I tell you, really stable. This boat has a carrying capacity of 604 pounds, although the boat itself only weighs 110 pounds. Match that up with this great Mercury 8 horsepower 4-stroke engine at only 84 pounds. You've got a nice lightweight package you can put in the back of your truck. You can take to mountain lakes up anywheres, or you can even head her out on Kootenay Lake like I'm going to show you here today. So let's take it out for a little video demonstration and see how she performs. Aha, the one pull wonder. I like how Mercury has your throttle as well as your forward and reverse all on the handle. You never have to look behind and be looking for a lever. And like I said, this is a fly fisherman's dream. Here I am standing right in the corner here. Head over to this side. I can be fly fishing, casting at the creek mouths, whatever. You couldn't have a more stable platform. Perfect, safe little boat. But let's take her out on the lake. So there you go, folks. Marlon Jon boat, Mercury 8 horsepower 4-stroke. Perfect little combination. Come and get them here at Jones Boys Boats, and don't forget to look us up on the net, www.jonesboysboats.com.